Want to cancel an Uber Eats order after placing it? First, you want to launch open the Uber Eats app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will have the option Orders. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on Past Orders. Here, you want to select the order you want to cancel. Check its status. If the restaurant hasn't started preparing your food yet, you'll see a cancel order option right away. Tap it and confirm, and your payment will be refunded automatically. If the order is already being prepared or out for delivery, cancellation may not be available. In this case, you'll need to tap Help on the order page. So go ahead and head back. Now find the Help option, select that. Now tap on Help with an Order option. Here you will find the order. Go ahead and select that. Now select Cancel Order. Uber Eats will review whether you qualify for a full or partial refund depending on how far along the order is. Keep in mind that once a driver is on the way, most cancellations won't be refunded in full. Always double check before you confirm. And that's how you cancel an Uber Eats order after placing it. If you found this video useful, tap like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this.